Hello everybody. So let's go with another market update. For Bitcoin, we're trading sideways. I think this will be the new way of Bitcoin, how it will behave. Like also here last year, we were trading a lot of time sideways. Then we had the breakout, and it looks like we're now going to trade for a long time sideways, and then maybe again a pop out. But for now, the Binance Oscillator is still in the green, so I still think there's room for a push up. So yeah, not much more to say about Bitcoin. Let's have a look here. So we're still finding support on this anchored VWAP. On the 1 hour time frame, there we have the algo going or still being short. Especially for Ethereum, it's quite profitable for the moment, and even when we break the trigger line, it would close in a profit. For Bitcoin, it's not yet like that. Trigger line is above the entry price, so that if we pump up from here, then this one will close out with a loss. Then Bitcoin on the daily chart. When we have a look here, we got the sell signal, and the trigger line is now around the entry price. So for the moment, in profit. Ethereum, this short is doing quite well. So we got the sell signal over here on the 19th of December, and since then it's going down, down, down. Also the trigger line is below the entry point, so this one looks good. Then Solana, we got the sell signal on the 5th of February, and the trigger line is just a bit above, but for the moment still in profit. And then XLM, this one slightly in profit and the trigger line above, so that one might close out with a loss. And then looking at XRP, there we got a new buy signal. This was on the 13th of February. We were under this anchored VWAP, and now we're just at it. So I'm gonna have to see whether it holds. And let's make maybe a new one from this low. Yeah, more or less the same region. Gala, yeah, that's that's a really profitable trade. Let's have a look. So this one went short over here. So this is a 54% profit. And I don't know where this one is going to. We're back into this old range, and this one has to hold. If we break below, then I don't know what will happen with this one. But it really has to hold. Otherwise, I think it will just become some kind of a meme coin. Then we have TON. We got the exit signal on the 9th of December, and since then, nothing. I don't have much history here for a Bybit. So, but the anchored VWAPs that I could draw were all below them. So, yeah, no idea where this one is going to. Then precious metals, gold doing very well. So the algos have been buying here at the bottom, and I'll show you the results in a bit. So this is the most profitable trade for the moment. So then we have silver also bought at the bottom, and we're also nicely up here. Then looking at the Nasdaq, also here above all anchored VWAPs, it looks like we're coming back to retest the all-time high. And I guess I can remove this trend line. Doesn't seem to do much anymore. Euro USD, so here we got a long entry, but also below all anchored VWAPs. So we really need to see some strength there. Crude oil, Also this one a bit mixed. So we got an exit signal. We're out of this trade. But then you can also see we're blocked between this anchored VWAP and the most recent anchored VWAPs. So maybe this one will also go sideways. It looks like we formed the bottom and we might come back to retest those highs. And then copper finally back alive. So we got here a buy signal, then one over here, and then a few days ago we got another one. We're above all the anchored VWAPs, so this one is looking good. Okay, then let's see what we have. Adobe, we got some, let's hide the volume. We got some buy signals here close to the bottom. Amazon, I got the exit signal yesterday. Alibaba doing very well. Look, this whole run up, the algos have been buying. Walt Disney, no trade. Google, we got a buy signal yesterday. MasterCard also buying the bottom, and then here close to where we are now, we got more buy signals. McDonald's bought at the bottom, so that looks good. Meta also doing very well. We also bought here close to the bottom. Microsoft out. Nike nothing. Although, wow, yesterday Nike went up 6%. But it's not enough for the algo to trigger a buy signal. Nvidia got now recently 3 buy signals. Palantir, new entry signal on the 4th of February. Actually, let's have a look at this chart. Okay. This starts to look quite vertical. I think this one will come down hard somewhere soon. It looks like this will be a blow off top. Tesla, nothing. Nasdaq we already discussed, and then the S&P 500. Let's have a look at this one. They're also a bit sideways for the moment. It looks like we're going to test the all-time highs, and the algos have been buying in that range. And that's it for the moment. So now let's have a look at how the trading is going on a real account. So here on SimpleFX, I started with, was it $700 or $800? So for the moment, it's worth 4,000, almost 4,600. So unrealized profit is for the moment almost 3,000. So here we can see gold, current profit 1,576. So this is the best trade so far. Then we have Apple, here Meta 800. And yeah, those are a bit the biggest ones, MasterCard and Alibaba. And then for the copy trading, let's have a look there. So this account started with $1,000. So for the moment, that's 7,400. Long XRP, and then short Solana, XLM, and then Gala. That's what we discussed with this 50% profit. So here you can see it. So currently $268 in profit. All right, that was the update for today. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.